There we go, man. There we go. Ferocious. I see him. What's going on, man? Mr. Organic, man. I'm blessed. Super blessed. How you doing, man? Organic.
This is why you shake that hand.
You see that? See the sturdiness. They're too ferocious.
Oh,
yeah. Blessing. Big blessings. Look at that head on that man.
That's really cold, man.
You got proper introduction. I'm gonna let him go.
All right.
Oh, Trev, he's cool.
Yeah, they're straight, dog.
Go. That's all it is, bro. You just gotta, I gotta meet you. He's gotta know we're cool.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
That's kind of how the breed is.
That's crazy.
They're
Come
kind
on
of like,
down.
yeah, it's
Watch
a
your
trip.
step. It's fucking muddy everywhere.
Yeah.
The breed's kind of like that. They want to meet you, their family. They're like, it's like their property, their family.
Yeah.
And then what's the real ones?
Yeah,
are
my
the people,
dog's kind of like that.
the people are messing it up.
How old's your pup now?
7 months.
7 months?
Yeah.
Look at it.
His dad's trying to bite my brother until I said it was cool.
Oh, shit, huh?
Don't lie, 7 months.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I was trying to stop it.
Crazy.
Once I told her, hey, he's good. He was cool.
And that's a girl, right?
Yeah, it's a female.
Yeah, she ferocious.
Yeah.
People are messing up the breed, though. I mean, you're lucky you get to see real Corsos here.
Yeah.
You get to see a real thing, but people are showing them and they're turning them like boxers, kind of like.
Yeah, shorting them up.
I watched all the videos on that too.
So they'll be funky. Look at this fool.
Oh, shit.
Damn, I told you jumping out of the damn car.
Yeah, that's why I knew.
He jumps his fence like nothing.
I knew that. I'm like, these fish are kind of little. If I got the barbed wire up there,
We following you?
Yeah, you're cool.
jump that fence like nothing, huh?
He jumped right into the car. He wasn't playing.
God damn. What
Hey,
the?
that's the one he said he was going to get me a pump from him, right?
That's King Kong. That's King Kong. You're getting a pup from Big Daddy.
That's King Kong?
Yeah, he's an AZ.
See, man, look how ferocious he is. His dad is the one I'm getting a pump from is bigger than him, right?
God damn.
Tank's dad's bigger than him.
What the? That's King Kong, right?
King Kong.
He look like King Kong. God.
I told you I was taking. As soon as I pulled up, I knew that was
Yeah, that's King. He
He's
ferocious.
ferocious. How old? He's a year old,
Yeah,
right?
son, right?
He's a year and 10 months.
Year and 10 months that Tank is, bro.
Y'all see this motherfucker, man?
King Kong.
You see this?
What I'm saying? Look at his paws and all that. He legendary. Rough got the courses, man.
God,
Tell him the number, bro. Can't tell him to get a pup.
tell these motherfuckers what happened, brother. I'm waiting for you, brother. We out here, man. What's my man Kennel called again?
All right, man. Go ahead, man.
Okay.
Tell the people.
I'm Ruben Marietta from Steeltown Kennels, King Corso, Southern California. So I got epilepsy when I was about 35. I wasn't born with it. I was pretty kind of a violent guy. I got a lot of fights, knocked out. Dirt bike riding, broke my shoulder a few times.
Big clavicle gone.
Yeah, gone. Just an adrenaline junkie. And over years it caught up with me, and I got epilepsy from head trauma. And about 2 years ago, year and a half ago, I was pulling out a canine that I was training to go take him training with police out of VLK. And I had a seizure when I was pulling him out in the morning. And in the kennel, I went down with the dog, and he tried to help me out, and he popped off my scalp.
He popped it off.
He popped it off. My scalp was literally laying
Flapping
flopped
like
over. You could see my skull. There was a while I was walking around where you could touch my skull.
Oh my!
I was letting people touch my skull.
There you go, touch my skull,
And it
baby.
finally grew over. I don't have like feeling. I can't feel and shit because it's not.
Oh, that nerve damage.
Legendary.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you,
gone.
Chad.
Yeah, it's
Damn.
gone. Yeah.
Thanks, dog.
But yeah,
That's
so
crazy.
basically, and I still can't. I still decoy. I still teach.
Still do it because you know it was.
So the
He was
dog
trying to
you
save
were in there,
you.
was he a bad dog? You was trying to get him right or what?
Actually, he was a dog that looked almost not as sexy as badass as this motherfucker.
Oh, let me get over here. Then
But
somebody look
almost-
like him.
almost
No,
like
yeah,
that.
what I'm saying?
Tank's crazy though. That's a
And,
big boy.
Yeah, and the dog was cool with me. He actually, when the city had to come take the dog, because what happened? They took him, and then we went to county shelter and got him out. And he went around the owner because I was training the dog. And went around the owner, and everybody came up and started licking me in the face, and everybody was like, "He didn't attack you." I was like, "I told you the dog was not trying to attack me. He was trying to help me." And that's the only reason why. Oh, he could have easily ripped off. Yeah, he was trying to help me out of the kennel.
Pull him out.
He could have literally killed me. He could have ripped off my face. He could have ripped my jugular. He could have killed me if he really wanted to. But he
Trying to
just
help him.
dragged me
Service
out.
dog type
I have-
situation.
I'll dig through my phone. I'll find you guys a picture of what my scalp looked like, totally my skull and everything. I'll show you.
You keep
It's
that in your phone, brother. We cool.
Keep it in your phone.
You know what I'm saying? You don't take it too far, brother.
Bad.
Yeah. Okay, we finna do some bite work now, right?
Uh-oh. Slim about to get chewed up. Rough house.
They
King, look at this man. Look at him,
I
man.
gotta put on the bike too. This shit about to be legendary and hilarious.
Do a little video, do a little introduction, show how you're chilling with him.
Yeah.
You gotta understand, yeah, we chilling. We pulled up, he went crazy.
Yeah,
He protecting his crib.
We was cool.
That's
We
crazy.
don't want to let people think that we make a crazy.
Nah.
His previous trainer, Real Deal, they've done a great job of just making the dog just a smart, strong dog that believes in himself.
What'd you call it? Real Deal? What is it?
Real Deal dog training.
Yeah.
That's one of my trainers, and then Ruben Marietta Steeltown is one of my other trainers.
Okay.
I got 2 different trainers.
I don't like to take nothing away from anybody. The trainer did a damn good job. Look at him. He's hanging out with you guys. He's chilling. He's got a straight head, basically, is what I'm trying to say.
Facts.
He can still do his work. You guys are not threats in the yard. There's no reason to be crazy.
Real
So
gargoyles.
when it comes on,
it's
he'll come to work. Yeah.
You haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
You've seen videos, but you ain't seen
In
it.
human
I've seen all
flesh.
your videos on YouTube.
And you go,
make sure y'all go to this man's YouTube channel.
You go feel it today.
Hey.
Yeah,
.com.
yard and not take a bite.
That's damn right. I'm giving me a bite too.
But yeah, now Willa,
Unrestricted $1.
Dude, I gotta say something.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it, man. Them Giuseppe's, man.
I'll get you badass footage where he's actually
Appreciate
fighting
that.
him. And then
You want
that'll.
me to record this part?
Yeah. Oh, no. I'm telling you. So yeah, I'll get you badass.
Get him, came up. Look at Slim back there scared. Look at him. Oh, he's big. Look at that back. Uh-oh, get him. Eat him up.
Boy, Fox, buddy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Tank Fox. Good boy. That's a good boy, Tank. That's a good boy. Good boy, Tank. Good boy, Tank. That's a good boy. Fox, Tank. Good boy. Good boy.
Calm it
Good boy,
down.
Tank. Out. Out. Good.
That boy a gargoyle.
That's a good boy.
Look at him. Ooh, look at his face. He's going crazy. Yeah.
He bites his lip every time.
Yeah, he want to take some blood. I know what he want. He want blood.
Now pull it out.
He want blood. He don't care. Look at that.
That's a good
Yeah.
boy. Good
Get
boy,
him.
Tank.
Get him. He
That's a
want
good
blood.
boy. Get him, Tank. Get him. Good boy.
Going crazy.
That's a
Don't
good
kill
boy.
the chick.
That's a good boy, Tank. Fox,
Going
Tank.
crazy on him.
That's a good boy. Good boy, Tank. Good boy. That's a good boy.
Eating it.
Good boy.
Sitting on him. Sitting on
Good
him.
boy, Tank.
Sitting on
That's a
him.
good boy.
Sitting on him.
That's a good
Sitting
boy.
on him.
House County Course.
Good boy.
Sit on him.
Good boy,
Sit
Tank.
down on him, then.
Fox, Tank.
Shake on him.
Good boy.
Going crazy.
That's
Look at
a
that
good
smash
boy.
his head.
That's a good boy, Tank. Good boy.
That boy ain't playing.
Boy, Tank. House.
Feasting.
House.
Feasting.
Good. House.
Oh, he got
Good
the
boy.
words.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go. Let me step to the side now. I mean, Gino's got this leg.
Good boy. Good boy. Look, he's fanged again.
Look
He
at
had
him.
in his mouth. Pull it out.
He got
Pull
the
it
canines
out.
in his moot.
Blood.
Blood. He want to taste blood. He want to taste blood. Get the blood on his head. Warrior.
Again.
Warrior.
You ready again?
Warrior.
He ain't good. He ain't good.
Let me step back a little bit.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy.
Go crazy on the wheel.
That's my boy, Tank. That's my boy. Tank. Good boy.
Yeah.
Tank.
Yeah.
Blood. Look at that blood.
Blood in the mouth. You got that blood in his mouth.
That's a good boy,
Yeah.
Tank.
Get him. Get out.
That's a good boy.
baby.
Good boy. That's
Easy
a
merch.
good boy, Tank. Good boy, Tank. House.
Come on, champ. Legendary. Look how calm he got. Listen to that. Discipline. Big discipline.
What?
Big discipline.
What? That's a good
Keep
boy.
him in. Look at that discipline.
Good boy.
Structure.
Good
Big
boy.
discipline.
Good
Monster.
boy. Let him bang again every time.
Fang in
Pull
the
up,
mouth.
pull up.
Monster.
Good boy. That's a good boy.
He's
Tank.
stuck on his tooth.
That's
His fang
every
touched
time.
too hard.
Every
Every
time.
time.
That's a good boy. See that?
He want to taste blood. Yeah.
Oh, blood on his
Yeah, blood in the mouth.
That's a good
Oh,
boy.
look at him scoot back with it. Look at him scoot back with it.
What?
Woo, let me step back. The Deceptions on the foot. Let him breathe. God. Bite him. Yeah, Slim, go crazy there, Slim. Yeah. Yeah. Go crazy. Okay, Slim. Oh, you hit the head, Slim. Slim a maniac. Watch that little night now. Okay, Slim. Hey, got the blood in the mouth. Got the blood. Hey.
Hey, oh shit.
Legendary.
Appreciate that, brother.
Legendary.
No, he's still looking at me like he want blood.
Damn, look at it.
Oh shit, hold on, boy. Come on, boy.
You want to try it again?
Hell no, 3 can go.
Nah, I can't
Your
go.
turn, brother.
Hell no.
Come on, it's your turn. It's his turn.
Hell no.
I got you.
Take one?
Man, I just survived something yesterday, brother. I need to recruit. I'm still traumatized, brother. You know what I'm saying? I need to recruit, brother.
Okay, all right, brother. My bad. I didn't think about that.
Pause, what's that called? PSA, man.
Yeah, because I ran down the other way. They didn't get me.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Everybody like, where's Slim at? Slim went the other way. He went the right way.
Yeah,
I had the drapery on.
You went the right way.
He came for the goal.
Yeah.
You guys did good though. Big props.
Oh yeah, big props, man.
sure,
Big
man.
love. We lived it. Definitely love that, man. Love.
For sure.
I saved about 5 people yesterday, boy.
Straight up.
Straight up though. Really though.
Ooh, let's get that picture now.
That's legendary. 3 of them.
Shit.
Rough House Kennels, man. Cayenne Corsos.
He's not turned up. He's not turned up. See, he's cool. So that's good. He still wants me, yeah.
Yeah, he got the pants. He still want to eat his goddamn loins. Look at that boy. He's legendary, boy. He's a legend right here.
No, he hard.
Look at him. Gargoyle.
Tank. Rough House County
Big
Corso.
gargoyle.
That's Tank right there.
Rough House County Corso. Look at him.
Ain't nobody want no County Corso, so I got one.
So let's get
Come
understood.
on, let's get down and steal right through the door.
Handshake.
So we know what it is.
Y'all welcome.